would
उसको कोई ड्रैग मत
expect
करना, ठीक है? लेट हिम कम बाय हिमसेल्फ।
ऐसा बोलेगा, अरे भाई तुम लोग
नहीं
कहाँ
बोलने दो
थे?
साहिल को भाई, क्या कर डिस्टर्ब क्यों? बोलो
Sorry,
साहिल
sorry,
भाई।
साहिल बोल।
I'm just going through the core retail sales data right now, and uh, 1 minute.
No, take 2 now,
Yeah.
डेटा के
Okay.
थ्रू चले जाओ पहले।
हाँ.
Yo, welcome to the stream everybody. Today is last day of the week. It has been a pretty good week. I've been trying to stack up my Topstep account. It is all done and dusted. I've paid for activation fee, so 10 accounts are ready to go. I did trade today morning. I'm in green. Let's see if I'm gonna trade in this new session or not. Maybe from Monday. Yeah, that's it.
So, if you guys went through the core details month-to-month report, the actual number was I think 0.3% compared to what it was forecasted. Sorry, it was, I think I ulta-fied it.
Ulta file. Okay. It happens.
Yeah. Actually, it's 0.1, right? No, it's 0.1 is actual, and 0.3 is the forecast. Yeah. Let me just change this formula a bit. I messed it up. Just calculating it again.
Yeah, it happens.
Yeah, so now since the core month to month, the actual is lesser than the forecast, the immediate effect should be some kind of bearishness because it entails a slower economic and consumer activity across the US. And what I would expect ES to respond to that is an initial weaker sell-off with a bullish, not exactly a bullish, but a reprice is what I would like to say. This is mainly because the inflation is high, and we all know once the inflation is high, Fed has to control it somehow. Now, and historically speaking, S&P, whenever in the past this has happened, there has been a sell-off and initial volatility followed by a recovery. So if we talk about December of 2022, when there was a similar variation in the data, we could see a dip down before it all recovered because it was expected that Fed would mess with the rates. So overall, I would like to say that we can just wait for a signal from Abhishek and proceed with caution.
Okay. I mean, nicely said, and I guess, but I didn't get what to do in this market. Buy or sell?
देखो मुझे तो 1 घंटे का फेयर वैल्यू गैप दिख रहा है जो टैप हुआ है और जो फेल होने वाला है शायद से. It is a continuation, so I would expect shorts in my humble mind. But 950 के बाद ही पता चलेगा यार.
Yeah, that is.
मैक्रो के बाद मुझे पता चलेगा क्या करना चाहिए, उसके पहले तो मेरा दिमाग नहीं चलने वाला.
Nice plan, I guess. Waiting out for the macro. So, yes, to answer. Hello, Kavi, Varun, Gopi, Sagar, Billionaire, and Gopi again. Good evening, parents. Safety net for 3 payouts. समझ में नहीं आया. Sahil bhai, go ahead. What's a safety net for first 3 payout in FX? Sir? Sahil sir?
हेलो साहिल, जोन आउट तो नहीं है? हेलो.
Alright, I'll tell you guys. Sahil आने के बाद I think he will explain you better. But for me, it's like अगर आपके पास 25 के अकाउंट है, right? to, like, if you reach at 1500 or 1600 like payout threshold which you need to reach first to get payout, you can take out $500 from it. So जो भी threshold होगा each account, you can take out like $500 of your safety net. If you want to take out more from the account, you need to make more out of it. So I would suggest that keep your like threshold amount there, like for 50k amount, for 50k account it is like $2600, for 25k account it's $1600. So whatever you make above it, you can take it out, plus 500 from safety net, you know. So it's a bit of a new rule from Apex, but again we can't do anything. We are playing their rule, their game, so we're gonna play by their rules, I guess. Still, they are the cheapest. MFFU is also in the option if you do want to buy account. No, you cannot take 1500. That's the problem now. You can take only $500 out of your first $1600, and you have to keep like 1100. Right? Yeah, you have to keep $1100 safety net in the account. But think it in this way, right? You take $500 out, you need to like trade like 1-2 trades more extra for another payout, so you can keep it rolling. So it can work in your direction if you use it properly, no? And don't bitch about that rule a lot, because it always there to help you. Sometimes also it's there for you to grow until and sometimes low account, but use it smartly. That's what I'm gonna say. But Sahil will come and he'll explain it way better than me, because he trades with FX more actively than me.
I think वही rule है, that would be like a good option. Get to 1600 if you want, take out 500 क्योंकि investment secure हो गई and you have money for new accounts. Or I don't think कि 1600 से you will blow your account anyway. 1100 पे, that's good enough. Or just do a few trades, make 2000 and withdraw $1000. And then work your way again. Okay, what is your view on working 70 hours a week? I think it is mandatory.
It is. Because we want somebody to bring our teas, right?
Exactly.
Just kidding.
जैसे I see a lot of people complaining, even 9 to 5 में they complain कि वो मैं 70 hours क्यों काम करूँ. It's your choice, don't work अगर नहीं करना.
Don't
But
work,
then
yeah.
तुम्हें promotion नहीं मिलेगा.
Yeah, exactly.
And there's nothing wrong in that. If someone is outworking you,
He should be getting paid. I mean,
yeah, exactly.
in terms of adding
हाँ,
like
हाँ,
promotion or whatever.
exactly. तो मुझे नहीं लगता कुछ गलत है कि work life balance. I don't think किसी CEO का work life balance होता है वैसे.
Yeah, there's nothing called work-life balance in building a business. भाई मुझे 6 बजे कॉल आता है, just saying.
हाँ, exactly.
भाई मेरे को ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये सॉल्व कर दो.
I think VP जो बैंकिंग सबसे गंदा सेक्टर है, I think वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस का, एंड वहाँ पे मैं लोगों को देखता हूँ, इवन VP लोअर वाले को तो वैसे भी ब्रेक नहीं मिलता. इवन VPs don't get off. You are working till you are, I think, a managing director. तो मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है चुपचाप भाई काम वाम कर लो. Be sure you're getting compensated for it in some way. ये नहीं कि फोकट में कर रहे हो 20,000 के लिए. That would be shitty, I can understand. But if you're making like 50,000-60,000 and you know you have the potential to make upwards of 2 lakhs,
Yeah, you have to work your ass off.
Yeah, exactly.
Don't ask me for levels on the chart. I don't think so there is any more levels on this chart. It is just completely dumping. Of course, we'll have to wait for retracement, and until unless retracement is not there, we're not gonna take trades today. It is Friday. We don't want to put pressure by the end of the week. You know, we want to use mental capital and go into weekend with the loss. Even if we do go into weekend with the loss, it has to be like proper risk managed trade. So we don't cry about that much. Like ES is not dumping as much as NQ right now.
Yeah.
But yeah.
NQ का तो solid dump है.
Yes, I did trade एशियन सेशन में I guess I trade NQ. Made around $500 on each account, 5 accounts. 152. I need
Amazon is down 3%.
members.
Nvidia is
I
down
think me and like Rudy and Aniket were sitting and saying that this is the time to go long. We absolutely got smacked. Let's look at that. We did not trade it, but again, yeah, look at this. 165 points. Shit.
It looks like up
Just to
very-
inform you, I was short from morning 8:43. No, not 8:43, 9:43, right?
That could have been the best trade of the
Yeah,
season.
9:43. Of course, it was 9:43.
अगर ओपन छोड़ देते तो.
Yeah, 200 points into 2 contracts, 400 points.
Shit ton of money.
$8,000 each account.
into 5.
फिर लाइव नहीं आते, हम लोग पार्टी कर रहे होते.
Yeah. मैं सीधा दिल्ली की टिकट लेता.
हम दोनों की
Go to Lemon.
होटल लेमन.
Everything is red right now. Apple is down 1%.
What
Nvidia
are you
2%,
doing
Amazon.
your random day? I mean, most of the time I still sit on the charts. I'm not at my journey phase where I don't look at the charts on my off days. I still look at the charts, try to figure out what market did last week or whatnot. But again, I try to get off the chart as much as possible on the weekends. But I can't help myself for now. Let's say in the future, if I make like crazy money and sit off and enjoy the money. What model are you using 2022? ICT model.
I think trading में even if you end up making it, जब किसी से मिलेगा, you end up only meeting traders अपने off time पे भी, वहाँ पे भी भाई screen खोल के भाई ये देख banger trade. Just look at this trade.
ये देख शॉर्ट्स बन रहे हैं.
There's nothing else to do. He was trading में घुस गए. Until you get married.
Yeah.
फिर तो पत्नी को मार.
यूट्यूब पे
anyway.
उसने बोला है पत्नी को मर्जी ऐसे कुछ बोल रहा था ना क्या वो
फिर तो भाई पत्नी की मर्जी चलती है. फिर तो भाई
पत्नी की
हाँ,
मर्जी
वो
चलती
सही
है. व्हाट आर यू गाइस थिंकिंग YouTube पे भाई ये अच्छी बात है.
नहीं भाई.
यूट्यूब पे ये भी नहीं
That is
बताना
one of
है.
the first feminist that I've met.
How do we do that? If somebody subscribes, it shows on our stream that somebody has subscribed. Like
करवा
वो
दूंगा,
उसके
वो
लॉगिन्स
हो जाता
है. इस वीक हम सारे लॉगिन्स डाल देंगे.
Logins या plugins?
I haven't traded in your session, but I did trade in the
हाँ प्लगइन्स सॉरी.
Asian session. Russell. Subscribe, guys, if you are new, please. दिल्ली वाले कॉन्सेंट भी लेते हैं क्या? वो क्या?
कंसेंट वो
हाँ.
एक वायरल वीडियो हुई थी ना.
समझ गया गुरु. मुझे नहीं पता पर लोगों के चार्ट आई डोंट नो स्ट्रीम पे अच्छे लगते हैं. मेरे चार्ट zoomed in लगते नहीं है पूरा. Is it problem of monitor or something? I don't think so.
I think it's a resolution वाली चीज होगी कोई.
नहीं क्लियरिटी की बात नहीं कर रहा.
ये पिस्टर कुछ चैट पे लिख रहा है.
इफ्स्टर इज टेलिंग कि क्रोम की स्क्रीन फुल कर लो, मतलब वो जो बॉर्डर्स है सब कुछ हट जाएंगे.
F11 से.
I like your channel, but I don't speak Hindi. Lols. I mean, most of the time we do speak in English, and that is the reason why we speak in English. We can speak in Hindi all the time, but I know there are people who doesn't speak Hindi. But people who speaks Hindi knows English, so everybody can understand English, I guess. Time for the reversal.
अच्छे दिन आ गए भाई. रसल देखने लगा स्ट्रीम.
वो है ना एक इंडेक्स रसल 500 or something, रसल 100 or something.
हाँ रसल. हाँ
हाँ वो रशियन इंडेक्स ना.
अरे
Bro,
नहीं
should we
रसल.
not
Russell
Should
S&P.
we not trade the pair which is not? What? Why? Because USD is too volatile right now. That's why. See, Russian index, not
So,
Russian index. May I
Russian
know
is
what
Russell
model are
direct.
you following? I am following 2022 model of ICT. So I think somebody asked the question again. So I'm just gonna explain to you guys what is 2022 model. But if you wanna learn it properly, just go to ICT's channel. It's way better to learn there. So this is like, obviously this is like ICT 2022 model.
अभिषेक अगर तेरे को क्रोम पे और कुछ नहीं खोलना है ना तो F11 कर दे, फुल हो जाएगा पूरा.
So this is it. We wait for liquidity areas to be taken out and then displacement to the other side and target another side liquidities. ICT will explain it better, but like probably when the market has double highs or single high which resides with the liquidities on above them or below them, if they are bottoms, market will take those highs out, will dump to the other side, and then in doing so it will create some kind of FPG there, breaker blocks, order blocks, something. It will tap into those and run to the other side. The model I'm following usually on the screen. I am in my trading and all in all. Aniket, ये है ना कि अगर if I do want to I have to 11 again.
full screen guys.
हाँ रहने दे.
Going up, but this again I don't look at the forex pairs. I only strictly trade E-mini Nasdaq. Can I show आज वाला trade? So see what I do is like I wake up in the morning like around 5:30 when just market has just opened. So what market does usually is follow wherever it's going. So if it's dumping, it will continue down for like next 20-30 points. If it's pumping, it will continue pump for like, so it's like continuation trade always for me. So I was around what time I did short trade. I think this was the short. And I would talk about this. This was the daily of, if I zoom in. This is the opening gap. As you can see, it dumped. So I followed with the market. Right. I took out like very small portion of it, like for it $500 something. Because I try to hit like base hits when accounts are new. But look at that. If I held that position, like 250 points. Once my account has that much buffer, I can hold it, then I will hold it like through the all lows usually. No problem, even. No problem. Make sure to like the stream while you are at it. Market is going nowhere, it's gonna consolidate. We want more displacement to the upside. This is not gonna cut it. Bias is not bullish, but we are waiting for retracement because of course we can't go shorts. For my model, like as per my model, I can't go short here because we are too much into discount. If market starts to reverse from where I enter, I'm cooked. So what I'm waiting for, like strong retracement from here and then pull back into it and then taking out these highs. like this high. But come on. If it doesn't come, it's fine. I'll go without any trades. I don't care.
Ooh, I just got my fortune card read. I have been blessed by someone called Rahu.
Someone called Rahul, okay?
Rahul.
Rahul or Rahu?
Rahu.
Rahu.
Let's
It's
go.
yeah. I know him. Good friend of mine.
Is it a
Where
good thing
did
or is it a bad thing? I don't know. But by blessing, yes.
no, you are got blessed, so I think it should be okay.
Let's go.
Blessing is always okay, I guess.
Uh,
Alright, good reaction. We are leaving breakaway gap as well. Yeah, I mean, Gopi bhai, that's a thing. I do take like if market is going into one direction, it will always come. It cannot just keep going always. It will reprice, and that's what my model is based on. I mean, ICT's model is based on. If you do wanna continue with the continuation, you can trade it, but you have to put tighter stops. So if you get stopped one time, you re-enter, but most of the time what happens is like those trades are based on luck. Like if market continues to straight away go back up again, then you can make profit if you are into longs. But I would suggest, I mean, waiting for reversal is the best thing to do, because always you will see that market is not trending. Yes, it looks like on 5 hour that this is straight away palm, but on 1 minute, look at this. There are thousands pullback to work on. For example, we have loss to be taken out, of course. I don't look at this block, like we can tap into it and then reverse. We have this FPG, which it just got tapped into on daily 4 hour. If you go there, we have this low, we have this block here. So like everything comes into the play, but you don't need to watch it. What you can wait for is like like when market displays to the other side, it also signs that it is always a sign that market wants to go back up again. So if you can spot the displacement, reprice into it and then going upside, it can work out in your direction. You don't need to go for like lows or highs on the trendy days. It should reverse from somewhere around here because it has tapped daily OB. Yeah, that's what I'm trying. Hopefully, this is a breaker OB, whatever you can call it. This is also a breaker. It broke the low here, close OB. You don't know where it's gonna reverse because it is daily candle. It can weak. It can weak and then come back, go back up. But daily candle पे कुछ भी कर सकता है. We are trying to enter on intraday, right? You never know when it's gonna reverse. Until unless it gives displacement to the one side. It has entered into that activity. Let's see if it can respect this or not, including this block. I think it's gonna stay bearish for now. I don't think that this is enough. 676. Yeah, let's see. You can wait until then. Yeah, it invests this LPG. So on continuation on day like this, I think you can go short. It is risky, but I wouldn't suggest to anybody. That's how you enter on continuation. Wait for retracement, give it a double confirmation. It can retrace into the and then down. Probabilities are less that it's gonna play out, but it can play out, of course, if market stays bearish. Let's just for the purpose of learning phase value, I'm just gonna keep it. It is not a trade we're gonna take, of course. It's there just for activation purpose. Taking out this low would be our first TP. There it goes. So that's how you enter on the continuation things. Always wait for pullback and stuff. Easy 30 point.
I was about to take it on one of my PAs, but then I was like, okay, let me just not do it right now. ये अच्छी लग रही थी ट्रेड बहुत सारी, थोड़ा रिस्की था बट वही चीज़ है.
Yeah, it's gonna always be risky.
हाँ. But seeing how it's melting right now,
Yeah.
everything, it's like shorts might just work in my favor. Yeah, I'm not gonna long. Even if I get like a 5-minute fair value gap on ES now, it's too bearish. Let's see. 3-minute fair value gap on Q, but I think we'll break away right now.
हेल्प करे मॉडल में वो ऊपर का 1 आवर पे वाले का कंसीडर होगा तो ऊपर से टैप हो क्या है
अगर वहाँ से मुझे 15 मिनट का मिल गया, अब जो बना है 15 मिनट का एक फॉर्म होने वाला है ना इंडेक्स, हाँ, उसके टैप के बाद, बट अब कोई पॉइंट नहीं है बिकॉज एक इम्पॉर्टेंट कंडीशन होती है कि मैं मैक्रो पे रिवर्सल चाहता हूँ. सो व्हाट इट शुड हैव डन वाज अब नीचे आना शुरू होना था उसको, उसके पहले भी वो नीचे ही जा रहा था. मैं मैक्रो पे, अगर इफ़ यू नोटिस मैक्रो किक्स इन, इट मैनिपुलेट्स ऊपर, तो आई कैन सेफली से कि शॉर्ट्स ही हैं. इवन अभी भी अगर 5 मिनट का फेयर वैल्यू गैप बनता है, समवन शॉर्ट्स इट ऑन ईएस, काम हो जाएगा, लेकिन बी टू रिस्की फॉर माय पीएस. मैंने मार्क किया हुआ है कि वो 1 घंटे का प्ले आउट द कंटिन्यूएशन मूव. I think today आज ऐसा दिन है कि it's you're better off trading NQ and just scalping shorts continuously.
Feel like that too.
ES is not. ES entry तक नहीं देगा. If it wants to, chances are that ES अगर entry देने की कोशिश करता है, then it's gonna rip right through everything. NQ में कम से कम ये है कि you will get like 15-20 points and you will be good to go. जैसे अभी देखो 1 मिनट का फेयर वैल्यू गैप, that entry and you could have एक quick exit मिल जाए.
Yeah, 15. Easy 15 points out of it.
Today is like a good day to just
There goes
start
the full TP as well. trades like this I can find it all day every day, but doesn't mean that I need to trade those.
मन कर रहा है एक एनक्यू नहीं एक एमएनक्यू लगा के छोड़ दूं. If it goes like 50 points, I make some money on one of my
$100,
PH.
not worth it.
पीछे पड़ा हुआ है एक ना.
Oh,
it's like,
okay.
so I just want to get it to the same level. तो देखते हैं कुछ ना कुछ मिलेगा. ये एक अच्छा शॉट. ये वाला शॉट अच्छा था. ये जो 1 मिनट का बाद एक और जो बनाया है इसने. But I was looking at ES stub instead of yes. तीन मिनट का ब्रेकर और फेयर वैल्यू गैप ओवरलैप कर रहा है. लेट्स सी.
Yeah, sorting here would be like very risky. But if you can find a spot to short.
698.75 जो 3 मिनट का ओपनिंग है. And there's a breaker and there's a nice fair value gap. That looks so good. Let's see अगर वहाँ तक वो वापस आने की कोशिश भी करता है.
Now it's gonna consolidate. Not worth it.
लिक्विडिटी ली है ना लेफ्ट में.
Did it?
छोटी सी लिक्विडिटी थी ये वाली. हाँ इस कैंडल के नीचे की. इक्वल
Not yet.
इक्वल लॉस. ओके.
I don't know. Let's way later in the session you can form a session setup.
या
But now I'll have to wait for this Structure. It's gonna be heavy.
एक्झाम CFA ची एक्झाम चालू आहे ना तर त्यांना घ्यायला आलोय.
आते हो तो माइक तो चेक कर लो भाई, चालू है कि नहीं।
कुणाल ब्रो आपका माइक ऑन है.
So we're muting you for now. And
हाँ
take it away.
यस
Take it away after the stream.
Look at that. Look at that shit. You know, while we are not getting trades, आज कुछ trade नहीं मिलने वाला तो we gonna play GeoGuessr
Best game ever.
in the world of history of games, single player, play.
And YouTube
Oh,
वाले
come
बता
on, don't
सकते
do this shit.
हैं. शायद.
Of course it's done. What am I going to do? टेक पे खेलो. हाँ भाई प्रियम भाई है ना, टेक पे खेल के हम गरीब हो गए.
This is Germany.
That's why we are traders, not gamblers. देख पे क्यों खेलेंगे भाई?
रुक ये टाइम मिल जाएगा कब पता चल जाएगा. इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कंट्री और नॉट.
Is it UK?
या इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कंट्री.
Just a bit.
गाड़ी भी वैसी है.
UK लग रहा है UK.
हाउ डू आई टर्न ऑफ दिस म्यूजिक?
It's Germany.
जियोगेसर का
Huh?
रुको करते हैं.
Settings में होगा. Settings में होगा. देख. ये यहाँ पे setting.
I'm very sure it's Germany. I can bet my 10p accounts on this that this is Germany.
क्या है?
जब नहीं लगाओ भाई.
अगर जर्मनी नहीं हुआ मैं अभी शॉट मार दूंगा.
हाँ जर्मनी है. बेल्जियम. Oh, okay. Well, okay. Close.
हाँ बेल्जियम.
Oh, this is countryside UK. Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think?
हाँ.
This is Gujarat.
Canada?
Not at all. Not at all. तो ईरन भाई आप कभी ये गेम मत खेलना प्लीज.
हाँ भाई मैं तो गैस कर रहा हूँ कैसा रहे.
तो गैस भी गैस करने लायक. कनाडा क्या बोल रहे हैं?
कन्नड़ा.
कैसा आइडिया बुरा नहीं था.
यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स. फक.
ओए दिस इज यूएस. साहिल का आइडिया बुरा नहीं था. एक छोड़ दो. I mean क्यों?
ICT के घर. I don't know where he lives. I know where he lives, but
This is US and this is
Some nearest cities like
Oklahoma. Yeah, it's Oklahoma.
where is
वो
it?
कहाँ है वो भी बता दे.
I
हाँ.
don't know Oklahoma कहाँ था. शिकागो में? नहीं. I don't know कहाँ था Oklahoma. Kansas करते. Iowa करते. Yeah.
South Africa.
Close.
Close. We are
Close.
14,000 kilometers, like on the different side of the world.
Close on the screen.
Nah, this is India.
India.
Chennai.
हाँ इंडिया.
एक तीर एक कमर.
ये वो है.
स्टेट ढूंढो.
Uh,
स्टेट.
This must be.
बिहार.
ना बिहार में इतनी अच्छी रोड नहीं है.
महाराष्ट्र आई गेस.
महाराष्ट्र में
महाराष्ट्र में इसे हिंदी में
खेती होती है. छत्तीसगढ़ होता है.
हाँ छत्तीसगढ़ भी हो
बोलेरो घूम रही है तो
भाई
हाँ।
नंबर देखो ना, गाड़ी के नंबर देखो ना।
नहीं दिखाते भाई, वहां से इजी हो जाएगा ना।
छत्तीसगढ़
वैसे छत्तीसगढ़ कहाँ आता है?
ये बिहार के थोड़ा साइड में।
बिहार कहाँ आता है?
वो छत्तीसगढ़, ये पटना के नीचे एक बड़ा सा छत्तीसगढ़ है। ये यहाँ
या
इंडिया लिखा हुआ है,
छत्तीसगढ़
उसके राइट में।
अरे एमपी के राइट में, हाँ ये रहा।
रायपुर
राइट
रायपुर
राइट,
लुक, ये इंडिया के
ये
साइड
रहा।
पड़ा
हाँ ये
छत्तीसगढ़।
रहा राइट है, नीचे रायपुर। हाँ
हाँ रायपुर।
बिहार लग रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों।
नो
अंबिकापुर, this is-
260।
रायपुर में ही है ना? हाँ अंबिकापुर।
प्रियम बोल रहा है मनाली।
अंबिकापुर शायद से उड़ीसा में आता है।
यूके, लिटरली यूके। कहाँ गया? अगर यूके नहीं होगा ना तो कल से स्ट्रीम बंद।
ओ
भाई तेरा घर था क्या वहाँ?
भाई ऐसी बर्मिंघम था ना, नॉटिंघम।
बहुत भाई, इतनी नापी है ना मैंने यूके की सड़कें। एक बार तो मुझे लोग कहने लग गए तो ब्रिटेन है क्या? मैंने बोला, क्या?
और करनी है तो बताओ चैट, वी कैन प्ले। और कुछ करना है, स्टेक मत बोलियो सिर्फ।
हाँ स्टेक कर सकते हैं, मैं यूपीआई आईडी भेज रहा हूँ, पैसे भेजो उस पे। stake
हाँ
कर सकते
एग्जैक्टली।
हैं। जीत गए तो सब कंबाइन हम पार्टी करेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
ये कह तो बोल जाना, हम एक दूसरे को जानते हैं।
और अनिकेत भाई,
हाँ भाई।
आपकी छोटी दिवाली आज है, उस दिन नहीं थी?
हाँ आज कुछ देव दिवाली है ना कुछ।
देव दिवाली।
हाँ तो भाई, अरे भाई
अमंग अस खेलना है। आज कुछ कर नहीं रहे तो वी कैन प्ले आई गेस। बट वो स्ट्रीम मैं खेलूंगा, तुम लोग स्ट्रीम स्नाइप करोगे मुझे।
सब हाँ वही यार तो गलत हो जाएगा।
डिस्कॉर्ड ज्वाइन करो, खेलते हैं, डाउनलोड कर लो।
हाँ, बाद में। हाँ
लिंक ऊपर है, देखो चैट में।
वाटरफॉल यार, 400 पॉइंट्स।
पिन कर दे लिंक।
मैं पिन कर रहा हूँ।
इनके शॉट मारना है भगवान।
तुमने वो अरे तूने एक माइक्रो से वो बोला था ना, वहां से 50 पॉइंट दे दिया।
हेलो, तुम सोचो मेरा दर्द कितना है।
It's like you know where the market is going but you cannot.
943
Stab.
943
कहीं कभी भी पीछे से आके स्टैप पड़ सकता है अप लॉन्ग्स, तो इसलिए कुछ नहीं कर सकते।
300 सवार 300।
चलती ट्रेन में कभी मत चढ़ो।
आज मैं
डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुंच जाओगे या फिर गिर के।
आज मैं बनाने वाला था 60,000।
वरना 8 मिनी लगा लो।
मैं म्यूट कर सकता हूँ बेटा।
वैसे मैं खोल सकता हूँ और कर भी सकता हूँ।
भाई मुझे अकाउंट पास करने के लिए $1,150 चाहिए। कितना क्वांटिटी से आज ट्रेड ले लो?
मैंने बोला कुछ चेंज करने को।
नहीं।
That was your answer. आज Topstep हाँ ना गोभी भाई, I need to buckle up, इसलिए 5 परचेस किए हैं कि नाम आए उसमें। एक दिन मैं छोड़ूंगा और नाम आएगा, टेंशन मत लो। सुन, 1 महीने का टाइम दो मुझे, क्योंकि this is like 4th or 5th day when this kind of trade is forming, like where I know where market is going, so I don't hold for long enough. करूंगा, एक दिन तो करूंगा।
तूने वो जो सेटअप रखा था वहां से भी 100 पॉइंट दी थी।
हाँ, from here, right? IFT link.
या
कर तो सकते थे, but risky is risky. By the way, guys, if you are traders are gamblers, लो प्रियम भाई एक बार बोल दिया, दूसरी बार मत बोलिए। 16 log. If you are buying Apex or MFFU account, support us by using code Vedic. You will get the best discount. Whatever going on is on the market, you will get the discount by this code. I sleep around 12, 12:31 sometimes. I take a nap in the afternoon. So all in all, I do get like 6-7 hours of sleep. Good enough, I guess. आज ES मूव कर गया बे 60 पॉइंट. मिरेकल
ES पे जा
चलो one more classic match.
लगाओ
Resume क्यों नहीं हो रही? Does anybody wants to play from chat? I can multiplayer
साहिल
भी
तो
खेल
गाता है
रहे
ना, तो मेरे भी दिमाग में अब ये गाने आने लगे.
मन कर रहा है कि अभी भी मार सकता हूँ मैं एक शॉट एक माइक.
Upgrade. I did buy subscription. Hello?
स्कैम हो गया.
4 मिनट दिखा रहा है. 5 मिनट.
भाई
Well. Bro, what the fuck? Even after buying subscription, I need to wait for a part actually. Nah, this ain't gonna cut. पर मार्केट रुक ही नहीं रही. ऐसा स्पीड भाई इतना बड़ा बैन आएगा ना मेरे लिए, कुछ कमाए बिना ही लूट जाऊंगा मैं. I guess from Monday we're gonna start pumping back up. It is repricing stat hard, I guess. 50% advance पे भी है. We can literally start going back up or maybe not. है ना? क्योंकि this can like literally down and then go back up. वो तो मंडे की ट्रेड भी बताएंगे. अरे बहुत अंडमान निकोबार से है मेरी टीम में लोग. गोभी भाई टीम में नहीं है बट आई प्रीमियम डिस्कॉर्ड में बहुत सारी इंडिया ऑल ओवर इंडिया से है. वेदिक डिस्कॉर्ड में
फैला हुआ डिस्कॉर्ड है हमारा.
फैला हुआ बिजनेस है. स्क्रीन के सामने बहुत दर्द होने लगता है.
आज तो कब से बैठे हुए थे तब से हो गए थे बहुत.
We need actually 26 people to reach 600 subscribers. Make sure to share this stream as well as much as you can to your fellow trader friends. ट्रेडिंग कम्युनिटी में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. It's just a social media thing. I don't think that there is any actual problem existing there. जिसको भी प्रॉब्लम है होना है, I guess. बस सब कुछ डंप कर रहा है क्या? No, CL is actually coming back up. Gold is holding. गोल्ड 94 पे जाके वापस 88 पे आ गया। I mean बिटकॉइन भाई रुकने वाली नहीं, ये रुकने वाली नहीं है।
साहिल,
हाँ
एक समझदार आदमी ने बताया क्या कहा था
क्या?
कि 9:50 के बाद अगर तुम पहला फेयरवेल गैप जो टैप हो, वहां से अगर तुम्हें 1:50% पे टैप होके 1:1.45 मिल जाए तो तुम्हारा दिन वहां पे खत्म हो जाता है।
खत्म हुआ आज?
हाँ,
टैप नहीं हुआ, कहाँ हुआ था?
हुआ है, क्यों नहीं हुआ?
950 के बाद
Five.
फर्स्ट लेवल क्या?
5
तीनों को मिलाना पड़ेगा।
पर इतनी कंटिन्यूएशन थी, हम एक्सपेक्ट थोड़ी करेंगे वो।
अरे फिर हमें थोड़ी ना पता थी कंटिन्यूएशन इतनी है।
पीएम रिवर्सल के चांसेस तो है, मुझे लग रहा
कल
है
नहीं देखा कल क्या हुआ था? कल देखा था ना क्या हुआ था?
क्योंकि we have like big range, it can reverse up to like 50% with 723 that dump again. But be careful while you are going for reversal, don't get squeezed. Wait for the confirmation. Big fall, yeah, I mean this is a crash kind of fall. Still in 2% of the anchor, it is like big amount, 400 points. But who knows what market brings next week? Maybe bullishness. But day trader को तो मजा आ गया. I mean, I think trading does get stopped or halted during those days. But if you can, if you are able to get like starting phase, I mean, some of the UK traders, like group of UK traders, made insane money when CL fall into minus. Any bank account is okay. So no, I use ICICI personally. उनका भी एफिलिएट ले लो क्या साइड में?
हाँ
Hi Abraham from Bangladesh. Hello. Welcome to the stream. See, we are going international now, slowly. Current or savings? Savings account. If you have current account, then okay. If you don't have, it's also okay. Subscribe to the channel while you are here. Yes, $400 million in COVID fall. Yeah. I think documentary on them. OCL का fall, I think it was caused or maybe it was a natural fall. Nobody knows. Bro, आप forex trade करते हो? No, I don't trade forex. Only futures. Futures firms only. Futures market only. Yes, actually, that's when. Can you believe you are short or you are long while you have like $1 million in your account and you are shorting NQ? Sorry, CL, longing NQ with like $10,000 risk or maybe $100,000 risk. तो पूरा 0. Just one split second. Arey Gopi bhai, don't be like that. I feel like this. Look at this image. If FPG gets inverted and if market taps into it and gives reaction to the other side, it becomes like IFPG. Yeah. क्या हुआ?
नहीं, मुझे अगर कुछ बोला तूने मेरे को.
नहीं. Does Bangladesh have any future firms get
ओहो,
like no?
maybe Tradify नहीं, Tradify भी शायद से नहीं होगी.
Not yet.
तो हाँ.
I mean, yeah, but let him hang out, you know. What if he's trading on his own account and you on trade? Nas on trade. होता है everywhere. सब जगह होता है. You just need to look for it, I guess. पर मुझे क्या वाइब आ रही है पता है साहिल भाई?
क्या? Rush up.
Gopi, you are very close to getting time out. Just know that.
क्या बोला इसने?
अरे वो बेचारा क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है और ये साला क्या फायदा है? वो कोड इस्तेमाल नहीं कर पाएगा. I'm not here just for the code user.
There are some firms on with support Bangladesh. I'll find and let you know. होंगे तो Apex Topstep नहीं है, but there is
कौन सा टाइम फ्रेम बेस्ट है IFPG का? Whatever time frame you use. If you use 15 minutes, you can use IFPG on 15 minutes. If you use 5 minutes, you can use it on 5 minutes. Whatever fits best for you. Just back test on it. If it does work for you, it does work for you. वैसे भी कभी भी कम लोग आते हैं ना स्ट्रीम पे और जो आ रहे हैं उनको भी भगा रहे हो आप.
ये firm है. This is
Which firm?
I'm sending him. मैंने उस पे दिया. It is a good firm. They are paying out. And wait, I'll send you the open code for.
नहीं. It's just like we want. I think he trades on his own. क्या करना चाहिए? मुझे लगता है जाके कुछ खेलना चाहिए पहले. मुझे नहीं लग रहा है ट्रेड बनने वाली.
This could give you a 40% off, 45% off.
Ooh.
I think it is still cheaper. Tradify. Go for the cheapest plan. I think इनका advanced होता है, which is like $99. You will get it for $40, $45 or something, and activation is $125. So जितना Apex is like it's as expensive as Apex, and same rules हैं Apex जैसे.
Yeah, see, he can buy trading platforms.
Tradify offer.
तूने सिर्फ 45% ऑफ डाला और कुछ नहीं डाला.
वो लिंक डाल दिया ना उसके ऊपर मैंने.
नहीं आई.
अच्छा, I can't post links on that.
अरे
No.
रुक. अब डाल.
या तो मेरे को भेज दे, मैं डाल देता हूँ.
ब्रो मैं फॉरेक्स में ट्रेड कर रहा हूँ. मैं पहले डेली बायस करता हूँ, फिर 4 आवर में CRT देखता हूँ, बट मैं एंट्री के लिए IFPG नहीं. I mean, you don't need IFPG. Like IFPG is not much. IFPG जो चाहिए ऐसा नहीं है. You can trade without IFPG. I trade without IFPG. I don't use IFPG a lot. ये दुख रहा है भाई, ये हेडफोन के भाई क्या 500 पॉइंट्स गिरा है ऑलमोस्ट। नहीं अभी 90 पॉइंट्स बाकी 500। Hopefully, waiting for that. Gold. Gold को consolidate कर रहा है बहुत। I wasn't able to find any trades, but ये 5 मिनट के FPG after taking out these 5.
CL
It can work out in your direction if the target is lost. But again, it is consolidating, so it might just spike back up again.
CL एंट्री नहीं देगा, बहुत ऊपर एंट्री है। Even if I want to enter CL
15 मिनट में दे देना है इसने एक बार।
हाँ अब मुझे लगता है
68.33 तेरा 1J1 भी हो जाता।
मैं अलर्ट लगाना भूल गया क्योंकि उसको टैप किया है। आई थिंक 4 घंटे से डिलीवरी थी एंड 15 मिनट पे पुश अप हुई प्राइस मैक्रो के ड्यूरिंग मैक्रो के अराउंड रिवर्सल। बट टैप अभी भी हो सकता है, वो 5 मिनट बाद टैप हो सकता है।
वो क्या है भाई? HEG मुझे What is HEG 5? कोई रैंडम बोल दिया है क्या?
क्या है?
जो मुझे पता है वो बोलो भाई, क्या देखना है?
कुछ नहीं, ऐसा कुछ तो
There goes the lows, I guess. 577. What, we've been into session for almost 1 hour now. So what we're gonna do is like hang around in the Discord and make sure you guys join in. Join in the Discord pin in the Discord is what? Discord link is pinned in the chat. And like the stream, subscribe if you are not subscribed yet because I come live every day. No, I did not take any trades. Just watch this stuff on my face. Chicha. ये वाला भाई तुम क्या क्या देखते हो? 5 मिनट के FPG. Yes, there is a FPG on 5 minutes. Lean Hawks future. Hey, 5 मिनट के FPG है. Make sure to subscribe if you are new. Like the stream. See you guys on Monday. Make sure to join in at start 8 p.m. AST and 9:30 a.m. New York time. I'll be live. See you guys there. Thank you for watching.